Alright, so uh, I turned off my Jeep today and it was running just fine, started up just fine, things like that. And then it won't turn over. I'll show you right here. So we'll go to that, press the brake, nothing. So that's the problem of your ignition switch. Oh shit. Fucking going out, so I went ahead and bought a new one to fix this crap. There you go. Alright, so this is the new ignition switch. So we'll have to take this panel off, that panel off, and it is a, I don't know what I call it, a Torx screwdriver. I don't know what size it is, but yeah. So there's 4 bolts around there. Take those off under. So it's actually 3 bolts. Right here, 3 bolts, and then next, to take the top part off, you have to unscrew this right here. This is your tilt column thingy. So take that off. This will come off now, just like that. Now you have access to that switch right here. So, looks like those are, oh my gosh, so safety Torx 2. Alright, we'll have to take those off, figure out how to get those out. Alright, so I got those 3 bolts. I'm going to show you again, I think. But anyways, have one right here. Oh crap. One right there, one there, and one over there. And this will come out. There is this wire right here, this plug. It plugs into right there, on there. Then you have this plug right here. So take that off. Okay, so I just figured it out. To take this key cylinder out, you need to take a screwdriver or something. There's a little pin right there, and just push that in, and then this whole key cylinder will just come out, kind of. I'll show you a little bit more on that in a little bit. But yeah, so got it out. We just had to pull on it. Couldn't do it with one hand. But anyways, got that out. Right here needs to line up with there. So, yeah. So I'm trying to get that done. It's basically ready to put this one in. Just gotta assemble the key and the lock right here. I'm probably saying this wrong. The key cylinder, I think is what it's called. But anyways, try and put that in there. Alright, so this was the cause of this. So this is my I have a donor Grand Cherokee, and I took this one off to use this key cylinder. As you can see on this good one, it's like squares, put it that way. How these have tag that piece cut out, and as you look on this one, on my old the one to this Jeep, actually broke off. So when it broke off, it wouldn't turn that right there far enough to start the engine. So that was my problem. I'm just going to go ahead and get my money back on this. So, but this is pretty much how you replace one of these if they ever go out. So yeah. Okay, so I got the key cylinder in now. It's all working good. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in now and get her done. Alright, so it's in, well, kind of, it's not bolted, just making sure that it will turn over the engine. Sweet. That's what I like to hear. Okay, it's all put back together. It's just those 3 screws and this tilt column shifter thing. Other than that, put the key in and go ahead and start it. Runs perfectly. Yay. And take that annoying sound away.